This is the newly installed elevator at the Patrick Henry Center. It's like in the library though, I guess. At Robert Morris University in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. It's a brand new Schindler 3100 elevator. Just entered service. Has a nice
Elevator is going down.
It's very small over there to fit in the existing space. It's a very nice Robert Morris color cap going down to one. I don't know why this elevator is blocked off because all the floors are open and got passing inspections. I don't know why it's blocked off.
Floor 1.
Here are one.
Elevator is going up.
Three. It's a nice new cab. It has like wood walls on the side and has like a Robert Morris blue in the back. It's actually a pretty nice cab for what this is. Yeah, 2,100 pounds is the smallest you could do one of these.
Floor 3.
You're back at 3. Yeah, no, I looked at the record and saw the new elevator, so I was like, where's it going? And it's here. The old Westinghouse though is still here. They're closing that's gonna be, yeah, I don't understand all of this.